How can you present highly detailed, luxurious furniture using just a single image in minutes? And not just that, you can turn it into a realistic render and even a cinematic video with sound ready to use in your portfolio, website, or client presentation. In this video, I'll show you a workflow that can save you hours, sometimes even days of work. Normally, creating detailed 3D models, rendering, and animation takes serious time and effort. But with this method, you can achieve impressive results in just a few minutes. So make sure you watch until the end. First, go to Image to 3D. Upload a reference image, and within seconds, you'll get a detailed 3D model. Next, move to the texturing step. With just one click, you can generate realistic materials and improve the overall look of your model. After that, you can download the model in different formats, depending on your software, whether you use Rhino, Blender, 3ds Max, Maya, or Unreal Engine. There are also plugins available, so check the link in the description. For my project, I wanted to create a more realistic scene, so I also generated a human figure. I uploaded an image of a woman, converted it to 3D, added textures, and downloaded the model. Then I imported both the furniture and the figure into Rhino to build my scene. As you can see, the details and materials are quite impressive. I set up the composition and saved an image to use for rendering. But here's something important. This platform also has its own scene creation and rendering tool. You can select the models you created, arrange them, and generate a render using a simple prompt. There are two main engines, Nano Banana and GPT Image. From my experience, Nano Banana gives more stable and consistent results, while GPT Image tends to change camera angles and object positions more. I'll show you both results so you can compare. Now comes one of the most exciting features, image to video. With just a prompt, you can generate a 15-second video with sound. The results are surprisingly realistic and very useful for presentations. Here is an important announcement. Get Pro monthly for just $1. DM anything to meshy.ai to unlock $1 access. Limited quantity available. For another test, I selected two highly detailed classic armchairs and a human model and turned them into a beautifully lit scene with strong composition and detail. I also tested generating multiple human figures, 2 men and 2 women, to see how well the platform handles more complex characters. After converting them to 3D and applying textures, the results were quite interesting. Now let me give you my honest opinion about Meshy. Image to 3D, I used very detailed and complex furniture to really test its limits. The results were impressive. Most details were clear and usable, although some small elements were missing. The biggest advantage is that speed models are generated in under 2 minutes. For presentations and tight deadlines, this is extremely useful. One limitation, especially for Rhino users, is that the models are not easily editable. However, for Blender, 3ds Max, Maya, and Unreal users, plugins allow more flexibility. 3D to render. This part is very powerful. The Nano Banana engine delivers stable and high-quality results. Prompts work well, and the rendering speed is fast. The only downside is the resolution limitation, so if you want to use the images for printing or high-end presentations, you may need to upscale them. Render to video. This feature has improved significantly. You can now create up to 15-second videos. The video quality depends on your input render, but overall, the results are impressive. The sound design feels natural, and prompts are effective in controlling the output. Overall, Meshy is a powerful tool, especially for speed, concept development, and presentation. It's not perfect, but if you use it in the right way, it can seriously transform your workflow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.